Hey guys, welcome back. So today's wig is from Wiggins. I'm going to put all their details below. Anything you're looking for, you're going to find below. The packaging came with the brush, it came with eyelashes, and it also came with this bag to store your wig. I love these bags, they come in very handy. And it also came with a band to use and secure your wig. I also use this band to lay down my wig, like after I spray my hold, or if you use glue, whatever, like this band comes in very handy. And finally, it came with this HD wig cap, which, trust me, the difference is so clear. If you like to do the bald cap method, you need this cap in your life, this HD wig cap. I'm going to compare the HD to the regular wig cap so that you guys can see the difference. You can see how transparent the HD is compared to the regular wig cap, like you guys can see here. This will make your wig look even better. And now for the start of the show, you guys, this wig is 18 inches and it's 250% density. And can we take a moment to appreciate the plucking on this wig? Guys, like, can you see what I'm saying? It was plucked to perfection. It also came pre-bleached, so you can wear this wig straight out the box. You don't have to do anything to it. It has this adjustable strap to help you secure your wig as well, and it also has combs to help you secure your wig. I can tell it is so well made. Like, look at how the construction is. I really didn't have to do anything to this wig, to be honest. Look at how full and luscious the wig looks, and I've not done anything to it at this point. It's so freaking full and so soft. You don't have to do anything before fixing this wig, but me particularly, I like to use a hair wax or hairspray to hold the hair down so they are all going in the same direction. And this is a tip for you guys. You can do this if you want an easy application. So I hold it down and then I go in with my hot comb and I just use it to comb it to make it look really flat. You guys are going to see the difference. Like, this will help you put on your wig without any distractions, without all those like strands of hair that like falling to your face or coming to your face or sticking to your lip gloss or whatever. You won't get that with this method. So I like to do this. Then I've also realized that I would rather cut my lace before I put it on my head. So I went on and cut my lace. And I always do this because sometimes when it's on my head and I cut the lace on my head, I don't cut it to the point. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, I feel like there are gaps where there's just lace on my skin. Whereas if I cut it beforehand, like I'm doing right now, I can cut off every single lace I want out and just leave the part with the hair. Do you guys get? Anyways, once you're done with that, look at my fine face, fresh babe, about to get even fresher. The next thing is to like lay my hair down, my baby hair, because you want your hair to be flat before you put on your wig. And also, I don't use wig caps mostly when I put on my wigs because I wear my wigs just mostly for the day I need it. I don't wear my wigs for 2 days or 1 week, so I don't really need a wig cap. I just put my head down, and also because of that, I never use a glue. I always use a holding spray because it is very, very easy to use, extremely easy. You guys, look at how this wig fits perfectly. I just cut off the extra around my ear to make application even easier. And like I said, I only use a spray to fix my wig. So I just went ahead and sprayed. And I use my hair dryer to make it what's it called, to make it a little bit sticky before I now put the wig down. And after putting the wig down, I blow dry it again just so it dries almost completely, like 90% dry, before I now like tie it down. You don't want to tie down your wet hair because it's going to leave like the white stain when you remove it. Before tying it down, I went ahead and I also sprayed just to hide the lace just to make sure that the lace blends seamlessly. And you guys, this was already looking so good, and at this point I have not even melted, like I've not done anything, and it was already looking so good. Anyways, at the end of the day, I melted my wig, and you guys can see I'm using the Wiggins hair band that came with my wig. And at this point, your girl is just going to disappear and appear back with a full face of makeup, because you guys already know how it's done. Okay, the way I was feeling myself, you guys, the way I was feeling myself. Anyways, the only thing you really need to do to this hair is spray water. If you want to go the extra mile, you can use a hair mousse, which I did, just to make it look even more luscious and to make the coils pop even more. So here I sprayed water. I made sure to be generous with the water because this wig is full. You want to be generous, but you don't want to overweight your hair, because like I said, this wig is full, guys. And then secondly, I went on with this mousse and I applied it all over the hair and massaged it thoroughly. And that was it really. After that, I used my hot comb to just style the front to make it look even flatter in front. I like that flat look in front. And finally, when I removed this hairband, guys, like this thing melted to perfection. Okay, can you guys see that? Hey, God, are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Because I had to come close because I'm like, wait, you guys are not seeing this thing well. I really needed to come close. Can you guys see what my eyes are seeing? Seriously, I melted this hair good today. And then just to hide the lace even more, I just went in with a small brush and a little bit of my powder, and I just powdered the lace, nothing major. And guys, look at me feeling myself. It was such a good hair day. I love this hair. Like, I felt myself so much on this very day that I went on and I created TikTok content that I normally don't create. Like, I was just all over the place. I was just so happy with this look. Like, your babe looked good. This week got me feeling like a 10 over 10. See the amount of pictures I took that day, you guys do not believe it. Like, I was feeling myself. Like I told you guys, all the details you need you will find in my description box. This wig is from Wiggins Hair, and this wig is a 10. You know what, I take it back. It's not a 10 over 10. This wig is a 12 over 10. Mind you, I rarely give wigs 12 over 10. That is to tell you how much I love this wig. It's a 12 over 10 for me. It's so gorgeous. And also, in case you're wondering, my wig cap size is large. So this is how large fits me perfectly. You guys know I have big head. So it fits me perfectly, just in case you're wondering. And on this very day, I just felt very beautiful. And I was just so happy with the way this hair came out. You guys should check out my description box for all the details you need. You're going to find it there. This wig, trust me, it is one to have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.